Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and your game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Resident Evil Requiem not opening on your computer easily. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games directory. So the default directory should be in your C drive. So go into your Explorer, go into C drive, program file is X, Steam, Steam apps, common. Then you're going to have Resident Evil Requiem here. You're going to go into it, and in that you're going to have the input 8.dll here. What you're going to do is you're just going to delete that the input 8.dll file from your Resident Evil Requiem folder. And if you also have RE frameworks folder here, you can also delete this folder as well. So once you delete both those things, now you can try to play Resident Evil Requiem and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that not opening problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.